Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. So guys from Dareu have sent me this keyboard for testing and review, and I'm seeing this keyboard first time. And my first impression was, okay, another one budget plastic mechanical keyboard. But after my detailed testing and inspection of this keyboard, I have changed my mind. So from the kit point of view, you will have a USB-C cable, you will have manual, you will have a set of additional keycaps if you want to add a little bit color to your keyboard, or if you don't want to add this color, you have a black keycaps, right? You will have a USB 2.4 wireless dongle, and you can hide this dongle inside the keyboard in a magnetic spot, which is pretty nice. From the keyboard point of view, you have the standard, more or less standard compact layout of the keyboard, right? With gray and black and yellow colors on it. On the left side, you have a switcher between wireless 2.4 wired and Bluetooth connection types, which means this keyboard can be connected through 3 different types of connections, right? Which is a standard for our days, but anyway, pretty nice. The case of this keyboard is plastic, but you know, it's a pretty nice plastic. It's not a cheap one for the keyboard of 20 bucks. No, I would say it's pretty sturdy and with a pleasant pattern. On the back side, on the bottom side, you have a standard 2-level adjustable fits, right? And back side, you have a USB-C port. Let me check the keycap. So from keycap point of view, you will have a double shot PBT, several colors, I mean with several accents on the keyboard, right? So keycaps pretty high quality, I would say. Under the keycaps, you will find a linear 3-pin pre-looped mechanical switch, pretty silent, let me show you, right? And they're really well pre-looped. You can see, maybe you cannot see through the camera, just believe me. I open the switch, I check what is inside, and this switch is really pre-looped, which is nice, right? Also, pretty nice color, white with violet. And this switch is Dareu own switch. Under the switch, we have south-facing RGB, and PCB accept 3 or 5 pins, so you can use any of mechanical switches for this keyboard if you want. Under the switch, I can see that we have this switch pad, which provide a really smooth typing experience. And you will hear in a minute the sound test. And sound test, really guys, I have tested a lot of keyboards over the last 1 year, and I never expect this level of sound from this level of keyboard. So one of the very interesting points of this keyboard is that this is a gasket mounted structure. So let's open the case and check first of all how easy to open the case, what is inside, and later you will hear what the gasket mounted structure and flex cut switch plate results in a sound test. I cannot see any screws, so I assume I should just pull out some pins. So let me try to do so. Okay guys, it was very easy. So this keyboard is friendly for tuning or modding if you wish. So basically top shelf is plastic part, and then we have a PCB sandwich connected to the battery. By the way, what's the size of the battery? It's 4000 milliampere, pretty big battery, I would say. So on the bottom side, I can see the sound and vibration absorbing foam, cut it exactly according to this plastic bottom shell, right? We have another foam layer stick to the bottom side of the PCB, right? Then in the middle I can see another layer of foam, and On the sides of PCB, I can see this gasket mounted approach, and this is pretty nice. I mean, from the technology point of view, just check this out. This pretty nice small silicone legs, or how I should call them. And also I see this layer of switch foam, what I mentioned at the beginning. So that's why you will hear how I am surprised with the sound of this keyboard. But now it's pretty obvious why this keyboard is sound so good. Okay guys, what about sound test? You will be surprised. Sound is awesome, isn't it? Okay, so let's connect this keyboard using this 2.4 GHz dongle to my PC, and let's see what we have as a software, as a pro driver for this keyboard, what we can do with it, right? We have a software from Dareu, pretty nice and, you know, compact, sleek, without all this colorful stuff, so pretty nice. You can see keyboard itself. You can do the adjustment of the function mode or standard mode, right? Regarding RGB, which is very interesting, you can do you can change colors per key. It's not always available, and you can do the different profiles for this, right? Okay, let's do the frequency test, what we have as a pulling rate, and then let's do the summary. Okay guys, so what I can see on the screen, that we have a standard 1000 Hz pulling rate, which is enough, and it's pretty stable, so all good from this point of view stuff. Okay guys, as a summary, as I mentioned from the beginning, my initial thoughts was, okay, it's another budget plastic mechanical keyboard, but now you can see that yes, from one side, like everything pretty standard, but it's standard from the good point of view. So this keyboard built with high quality materials and with a great attention to the details, everything in place, all level of foams and sound and vibration absorbing foams in place, right? Quality of the plastic case is a pretty good, double shot PBT keycaps, very well pre-looped switches, and sound is great, plus 3-way of connection to your PC or laptop or whatever, driver, per key RGB. What else do you want for given price? What else you may want to have in the given price of the keyboard? So if you're looking for the typing or gaming, because in this way, in this case, I can use this keyboard for both. I can use this for pretty good typing experience, but also it's nothing prevent me to use this keyboard for the gaming. So this is a pretty versatile product, and if you're on the market and you're looking for your first, or maybe you're looking to upgrade your mechanical keyboard, just check this out.